project also needed two resistor. The resistor value depended on output voltage. That means we need 5 volt. I have a small calculation for use resistor value. It has a small formula. I write here. The formula is B out is equal to 1.25 bracket 1 plus R2 divided R1. I solve this problem. First I needed B out. My expected voltage is 5 volt. So I let my expected output is 5 volt. That's why B out is equal to, I write 5 is equal to 1.25 1 plus R2, and I let R1 below. Any value I let here, but any kind of resistor value, logical value I get here. This time I get 330 ohm resistor R1 value. So two resistor I needed. First resistor value 330, and I calculate the second value of resistor. R2 is equal to R2 value I find out, and to resistor I set the IC that get 5 volt DC voltage. First calculate I 330 plus R2 is equal to 5 divided by 1.25 into 330. Five divided 1.25 4 into 330. R2 is equal to minus 330. R1 value is 990 ohm. That's nearest value is 1k, 1000. I use 1k. A simple circuit. I draw the circuit. V in LM LM317, this is IC, this is output, and we use two resistor. I just use two resistor. I needed 5 volt. This is R1 and R2. I use R1 is 330 and find the result R2 is 1K. Very simple circuit. First I check my input voltage. Eighteen point something. This is 18 voltage. I have 18.55 voltage. I convert this voltage only 5 volt. I needed 5 volt. So this is the IC LM317. I set the IC. V in terminal and V out terminal. V in is 9, pin number 3, and V out is pin number 2, and pin number 1 is adjust. I connected a 1K resistor. This is 1K resistor connected. Adjust terminal. And I also connected 330. This is 330 ohm resistor. The resistor I connected adjust and V out, pin number 2 and pin number 1. Connected. This is the source voltage. The voltage 18 voltage I connected pin number 3. Pin number 3. And this is negative terminal. I connected pin number 1. Now I check output. Check output voltage. This is 5.04, is accurately 5 volt. My input voltage was 18.55 and output is 5.04. This is 5 volt. I control and place the voltage, and I control 18 voltage and I expected voltage is 5 volt. I calculate 5 volt is only 2 resistor, 330 and 1K. I use and get 5 volt. This IC only get this IC output as a same circuit. I use different type of resistor and get different value of voltage. I just calculate here again, and this time I write the formula. 1 plus R2 divided R1. This time I get 9 volt. I have 18 volt, I get 9 volt. So I calculate. So I calculate the resistor I use, the value of resistor. First I get R1 value. R1 resistor value. This time I get 100 ohm. 100 ohm. This is, I expected voltage is 9 volt. So I less than R1 value. I just calculate 9 divided 1.25 into 100. R2 is equal to 720 minus 100. I need 620 ohm resistor. 620 ohm resistor is not available, so I use two type resistor. Two resistor I use. Two resistor. This is 560 plus 57 ohm. Here this time I here use two resistor 560 and 57. Because 620 ohm resistor is not available. Okay, let's again set that IC. First I use 100 ohm resistor R1. Okay, first I set the IC and terminal 1 I set the resistor 560 ohm resistor. I use two resistor. This is 57 ohm resistor, and pin number 2 output and input I connected 100 ohm resistor. And I supply voltage. This is supply volt 18 volt. This is 18 volt terminal. I connected pin number 3. Pin number 3 is input and output I connected here. This is ground terminal and this is VCC. Okay, now I check output voltage. This is output 9.20. this very for I not use 620 resistor, I use some different, very small different. This is 9 volt, 9.20, very near of my expected voltage.